Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Sierra with Sierra's Crafting Table. Today we are going to be doing a fridge clean. I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean my fridge. So first things first, we're just going to take everything out. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can take one section out at a time if you feel overwhelmed. But for this video, I just took everything out and I'm just going to wipe everything down. If I'm not mistaken, I believe almost all or most fridges, they have removable parts so you can easily clean them more deeply. And don't worry about taking everything out. I did section by section so I wasn't overwhelmed. I didn't have my kitchen filled with drawers out all at once. I did section by section and that seemed a lot easier for me. And honestly, I didn't know it was going to be this crusty under here for this video, but it ended up working perfectly. And if all you can do is just wipe out the drawers inside the fridge, then that works too. So I just wipe everything down and then I put everything back inside the fridge, and then I'll give a good polish and shine on the outside, and that's pretty much all I do. And I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I also forgot to mention that I just used a multi-purpose cleaner to clean my fridge. You can also use a disinfectant if you would like, because I'm sure the fridge is a place for all kinds of germs, but I just used a multi-purpose cleaner for this session here.